realised that the grey bits that we've been using for the bushes are wrong and need to be these white
Dude,
ones.
I went near my desk and then it disappeared.
So we're going to change all those out back to where we were. Oh. 6, 7. So first things first, I guess we back it up and change these back. One.
Back to start you are.
Not quite. Oh, careful, bud. You gonna help?
What are you up to?
Just replacing these back.
The right way.
Yeah, back to the right ones.
Yes. Not it.
Careful.
Okay, this one.
Pen. Remember. So if you want that one, I can give you the next instruction for that one. We need, where are we up to? Where are we up to? We need that little one there.
Yeah.
Can you see that little one? That's him. So that goes in the middle. In the middle one.
The middle one.
Yep, right in the middle.
What is that?
Hey, bub. Show me. Up the other way. Up. That way. There you go. You got him?
Can't find it anywhere. Need that video one. That's this video one.
Uh-oh. You better find it. It went down the end there. Good girl.
Hi everyone.
Anna coming in and coming out. So then that goes back like.
I got this honey. Not having it now.
Put that in there before we forget. And that one should go on there. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Like that. This one goes above it on the black. 2 fins in the back. Yeah, there's still 2 in here that we've got to do. Pull these 2 out. Smallest little things. Stuff us around, eh?
What else?
Now we're up to here. So we need the rod. Yep. And a yellow lock. Oh, you're off again. matches up. Perfect. Oh, geez. This is complicated now. the steering now. That'll be our steering wheel, so it turns like that.
Wow. Can I have a go?
Yeah. Then yeah. See how it spins there? And then I think, what I was saying before, this will go back to our wheels, our back wheels, this shaft. Yeah.
Okay.
And then that'll spin this gear up here, which will then spin our engine, because that looks like our engine.
To get
To rotate the engine.
to the mixer.
I don't know how the mixer's going to work yet. But that's our engine.
Maybe when we push it, maybe it'll spin.
Yeah, maybe there'll be another gear at the back here that drives it or something. There is a really big gear on the back there. You see it just there?
Wow.
I don't know. So we're up to this one where we need orange. Is it orange? Orange? Yeah, an orange. An orange. An orange and an orange. Oh, there it is. So that one up there. That one through, and then this one on the back at a right angle to that, like that. Is that right?
Yep, that's correct.
Need one of these, that black one there, which goes in here. You want to put it over here, just there, and you push that yellow one through while I hold the black one, or do you want to hold the black one?
I want to push the other one in.
Alright, you push it through that second hole.
There.
Yep. And that black one, little line up. Yep. Push. Get through.
I see.
Line up. That black one's out a bit, so. Good.
Yep.
Not lining up, is it? Maybe lift him up. Can you lift him up a little bit? Oh, is that out? Is that? Oh, we went underneath it.
You still only have to be like this.
You want to pull him out? We'll have another look. Ah, we had it the wrong way. You can't push through there.
Oh yeah.
Right, is it two, oh no, it's the wrong piece. That's why. That's why.
That's why you shouldn't even do that.
We need one with a star and a star. Star, circle, star.
I need to grab one. Star and a star. Let's
Yeah.
go, Pa. Star and a star. Let's go, Pa. I said Pa.
Yep.
Star and a star. Let's go, Pa.
Yep. How's this it? No.
But that's the same.
Look at all these ones that are wrong. How do they expect me to find it?
Maybe it's the wrong one.
Is it in that one?
Star and a star. Where could it be?
Oh, I don't know. You tell me. Oh! Oh! Look how many I've pulled out and they're all wrong.
Actually, is this just a wrong box?
No. Oh. Is that it? I found it. Found it. So, we don't need that one. That's wrong. That one goes in there. You want to push him through?
Huh?
You want to push it through? Up. Sorry. That's got to be up. Yep, push it through. And that lock in. And then that black one, I think, locks into the white one.
Yep. Let's see. Is it?
Does that do anything?
Yeah.
No.
No.
Oh, here we go. This is the engine.
That's the engine.
Yep, so the big long one. Yep.
I remember this.
You remember?
It's 13.
Yep.
Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Good
Yep.
job.
Sorry, and these three.
We need those ones.
So let's check. Yep, that's the one.
How many yellow ones do we have? We need 4. 1, 2, 3. 4. Is that 3 yellows?
Yes.
4 yellows. 4 rods. Need 1 blue. And greys, eh?
This is gonna be so tricky.
Grey cap. It will be tricky.
Yes, so tricky.
I'm glad you're putting that together and not me. Do you want a hand? Or do you think you can do it yourself?
I think I can do it myself.
Good girl. One more cap, isn't it? One more grey bit. 4 grey bits.
Yep.
Uh-oh.
I dropped one. Let me look it. Aha! Found it.
Alright.
So.
1, 2. Come back up there now. There you go.
I thought I had green hair. But
There we
I
go.
didn't.
So now we put, you're up, this is you. We put the grey on that end.
And
You do them. Got one viewer. Hello. Don't know who it is.
hello.
It could be just us. Is it? Maybe? I don't know.
Hello.
No.
No. It's just a little one.
Yep. Grey onto the ends.
I'm trying. Yep, I did it.
I did one.
And now.
You can do the other 2 then. Must be just us.
I done the yellow bit.
Oh, that yellow bit's got a... You got ahead of yourself. So you got to put it through there and then the yellow bit up.
Okay.
Oh.
That.
Not again.
How many times been Lego falling down?
Oh, a couple.
Yep.
Hang on.
I did one, but this one is partially being hard.
Guess it doesn't matter. Yep, that's the right way.
I probably need help.
Okay. And then the yellow bits. Yellow, yellow. And where's the yellow bits? Where's the yellow bits? Yellow, yellow, yellow. Yellow, yellow, yellow. On.
It doesn't matter.
Oh, sorry. Next one. Careful. I'll put that back over here. Uh-oh, you're right.
I need a hand.
What was that? Oh,
One
yeah,
thing.
it was one of these things.
We've done two. Have
Three. Through. Through. Through the hole. Oh, all right.
we?
So all them done. So that's that.
Yes, we're standing. So I don't.
One more bit. Can you see
The
another one of
yellow
these?
bits. The yellow bits.
What's wrong with them?
Nothing.
I need another one of them. Oh, there it is. You're hiding it on me. You hiding it? And then where's your pistons?
Bye bye. Bye bye, everyone.
That's got to sit in there. Red ones. Alright. They don't look in. So these are the two pieces that I've got left. These two red ones that are supposed to go in here. Oh. Yeah, in there. Oh. Unless that's supposed to. Like that. That locks it in. Hopefully that's right. Locking it in there. Other L bits. Orange bits. And a black. Black joiner above there into there. Oh, I've faced it the right way. I'll face that one forward, like that. Now does that spin still? Yeah, we've got the engine to spin. Yes, look at me go. Look at that. The mixer concrete mixer truck. G'day mate.
Let's see.
Hey, let's make it look. Got the engine. Careful. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. I'll break it.
Do you know I did an actual somersault on Mummy's bed?
Did ya?
Yep.
Oh.
And next, I did a somersault, and I landed on my feet on the ground.
Oh wow.
That was clever.
Yep. So is that the engine?
Looks like it.
So when those back wheels will turn, it'll turn the engine over.
Like, doot, doot. Hello everyone. I did a somersault on Mummy's bed, an actual somersault, and I did a somersault again, but I land on the floor and I land on my feet. Isn't it crazy?
Now, goes there. That one in there.
Bye bye everyone.
Bye, Anna. That should go under this orange bit. Unlocking. Like that.
I'm just walking.
7 whites over orange. Like that. Oh. Grey. Grey fire. That one. Up there. It already is washed. It already is washed. I've been in the garden doing gardening, weeding. Into there. And then another little L. Another side. Whoa, wait. Yep. There, like so. Little black ones. Like that. Like a little cap mount. Almost. Or something. Like that. that goes on the front through that front one. Through the next one. Hopefully the next step locks it all together. And I will do up to 63. So we need one of those white pieces. On that. And that into there. Another one into that side. Like that. That goes up. Pops in. Like that. That's all that. And then there's no there's no space on the side yet. There. And the last bit for today will be a replica of the other side with the two gold pieces. So in one, in that side one, all the way through on the corner. Onto the orange and the blues. And then it locks together. So a bit of progress with our steering, which you can't really see at the moment. There it is. It's a bit hard to show. There we go. Steering there. Hopefully you can see the actual whoop down there. There we go. Steering. And we've also got the engine to turn over. And I'd say we're starting on the cab at the front here. Very cool. Super impressed with it so far. Thanks for watching. See you next time.